Hey folks, Adam here again, and today we're looking at the Brita Standard Everyday Water Filter Pitcher. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It has two different options available on Amazon. First off, just the filter itself, and then, just the pitcher itself, or you can get the pitcher with additional filters for a few dollars more. Now this thing is absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for BPA-free, a great water pitcher with a filter built in, it's very simple to use. You just go ahead, pour the water in here, and then from there, you will just let it filter through, and you're gonna have the cleanest, best, most pure water of your life. Now, when it comes down to it, we've used this one for a while, we've tested it, it's tried and true, but when it comes down to it, Brita cares about their reputation. They make one of the best set of filters on the planet. They're an Amazon choice for some of the best water filters on the planet. And when you look at the reviews and ratings, we're talking thousands and thousands. I'm talking tens of thousands of reviews on Amazon and nearly a 5-star average. And not every company can say that. When you're looking for great water, go ahead and trust Brita. You can leave this in the fridge and have cool water all the time, or leave it on the counter and have room temperature water. And also another aspect to this, you can put a little bit of fruit in your cup, pour your water in, and have some very, very delicious water ready and available at any time. So go ahead and order today. You're gonna get a great deal from Amazon, and with Amazon you get all the warranties, all the guarantees that come with it. So order today, you won't be disappointed.